Okay, it is okay, so tonight is you have to dress elegantly. Basically evening dress elegant for elegant night captain's cocktail. Join us for cocktail toast on all lounges on decks 5 and 6 from 6:15 to 7 o'clock. Oh, I got 15 minutes left. It's 6:45. Oops. Definitely did not read the paperwork right. Let me see. They don't even have nothing in. Oh, captain's presentation at 7:45 in the theater on deck 6. From 7:15 to 7:45, you can take photos with the captain on deck 6. And then there's a show, and then after that, you can do more photos from 8:45 to 9:15. And then there's some other things going on, and then there's another presentation. And then let's see. I guess if whoever didn't go to the first presentation, you can go to the second one. So I guess I will be going downstairs to the cocktail hour. And then, yep, yeah. Let's see. It says, on elegant night, dress to impress, whether that means a tuxedo, suit and tie, evening gown or cocktail dress, or perhaps it's your very best jeans and a polo shirt. Your attire should fit your own level of elegance. Please note that shorts, flip-flops, tank tops, and t-shirts are not welcome in the main dining rooms, lounges, theater, and during the captain's gala toast. See, these are the type of things that, like, they don't tell you before you get on a cruise. So, like, if you didn't bring anything, like, super nice and fancy, you're kind of SOL and you can't participate in certain things. And I wish, like, when they do send, like, the itinerary and things you should bring and recommend, they should say, like, X amount of events are happening, you should bring this amount of nice clothes, and then you have your casual clothes. There's a lot of things that, like, that I've noticed with cruises that they don't, like, if you don't know someone else who went on a cruise, you would never know that you need to bring certain things. And although they do have, like, shops here where you can buy clothes, purses, pharmacy items, perfume, bags, watches, stuff like that, nobody wants to spend that kind of money or what they're charging on the cruise. They want to bring their own stuff. So that's one thing to be mindful of if you decide to book a cruise trip, to always make sure you bring at least, like, 1 to 2 really nice outfits that can be considered, like, for an upscale event or upscale dinner.
Enjoy yourself.
Thank you.
Have a good cruise.
It's a day at sea. Tomorrow we're going to Mykonos. And right now I don't see any land anywhere, so we're literally in the middle of whatever sea this is that we're floating through, driving through, I don't know, whatever, boating, sailing, there you go, sailing through. It's also a really hot and nice day. Like, everyone's out on the chairs or in the pool. I had a late lunch, well, I guess brunch you can say. Technically right now it's 2:17 in the afternoon. My clock hasn't changed over yet because I don't have any service, but once we get there I'll have service and my clock will change. Right now it's showing an hour behind because when we went to, I think it was Croatia, or I think Italy is an hour behind. So now we have to go an hour forward into Greece. So before I was sitting upstairs, I think I was on like deck 11 or 12, whichever the top number was, that's where I was before. But now I'm downstairs on deck 5. They are doing dance lessons. So each day they had dance lessons, and I think they have multiple. So on the ship you can learn bachata, salsa, rumba, and I think tango. So it's all different types of dance classes. At that time, I believe they were learning how to do the rumba or rumba, however you pronounce it. And usually the dance lessons last about 45 minutes. I didn't attend any because I'm okay. Like, as you can see by the crowd, it's all older people anyways. Not that I have anything against older people learning how to dance, but yeah, no, I'm okay. So I was sitting there waiting because bingo was coming up next, and that was what I was sitting down there waiting to start. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Okay, now it's time for bingo. The guaranteed prize was, I think, 300 euros or pounds. Wait, no, I think they're euros. And that usually runs about 30 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes as well. Or I guess whoever hits bingo first. And the way how they do bingo is you have to fill the card. They don't do like lines or anything. Like, you have to fill the whole card.
Deacon is tonight, I got the great order and we get pleasure to introduce to you our master, accompanied by the senior officers and the head of the departments of the MSC Sinfonia. From Italy, safety officers, welcome, Gianluca Rodi, safety officer. The music captain, the commandant, is master of the MSC Sinfonia, Captain Giuseppe Gazzano. Our captain, the commandant, music captain, come on, for tonight.
Buonasera, good evening, dear guests, good evening. On behalf of our entire crew, welcome on board MSC Sinfonia. Thank you again for choosing MSC Cruises for your holidays. I wish you all a wonderful gala evening and an unforgettable cruise. Thank you. Ciao, ciao.
Before so can I go